Okay, so we're gonna cut this guy open and this chicken open to see what's inside.
And this bunny, because the Easter bunny brought it, but we don't play with it, right?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so what do you think is going to be inside? What's it feel like?
Some mashed up marshmallows, because marshmallows kind of feel soft like that.
Okay, and this is the same, so it's probably going to be the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about this guy?
Orbeez, yeah.
You think he's Orbeez?
Yes.
What color?
Probably blue. Yeah, it's blue.
Oh, okay. We're showing them. You want to show them?
Blue Orbeez inside here. Whoa.
Okay, which one do you want to cut first?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, are you going to be very careful?
Yeah.
Okay, now if you squeeze it a little bit, then the Orbeez are going to pop out all over the place. Oh wait, no, they're going to explode all over the kitchen that way. Here, hold on. Let Mommy help you. Can Mommy help you? You don't have to squeeze him. Watch your fingers. Okay, you got him. Okay, now let's squeeze it out and see what it is.
Whoa.
Oh, it is blue Orbeez.
I was right.
Good job. Get all those out of there. Okay. Get all of them? Got them? Let's see what kind of mix we can make in the bowl. I feel like this is thick, like putty.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's going to be. What color? Maybe... Oh, it's
White?
looks like it's got little... No, that could be the inside of this thing. I don't even know what's going to come out, if anything. You want to snip him?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good job with the scissors. Ew, what is that? Look, it made the scissors white. Ew.
Ew.
Is that going to get sticky all over your hands?
Ew, it is.
Ew.
Ew.
It's like a white beads. There's like weird beads and foam.
Oh my god, we need to get a fork to shove it out.
Ew.
Ew. Oh my god. I need some of these.
Oh no, it's going to stick to your hands? Ugh, it looks like it's going to stick to your hands. It's kind of gross.
Yeah.
Ew.
Ew. Ew.
No.
Ew. Ew. Can you pull up my sleeves?
Yes, I can. Ugh,
Oh my god.
gross.
Ew. It's so disgusting.
Ooh, do we want to cut that chicken open? That's kind of gross.
Yeah. Ew. Ew.
You sure you want another one of those? Let me pull your
Yeah.
sleeves up. I got it on my hands too. Okay, there we go.
Ew.
So let's see. So this guy's empty.
Yeah.
Can you mix those Orbeez in there?
No, I don't want to.
Come on. So what did you make? Ugh.
Ew.
Do we even think that's going to come out of your hands? Look, show everybody.
Ew. Ew.
It's like whipped cream that doesn't melt.
Yeah.
And it's got tiny, tiny beads.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so tiny.
Play with the Orbeez.
I want more. I want to do it again.
Oh, gross.
Give it to me.
I can't even get it off my hands. Here, hold on. Ah, it's the same thing. Hold on, hold your hands out. Over the bowl.
Oh my god. This is so much fun. More like sticky.
Come off my finger.
God.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Ew.
You see my guts in the bowl?
Ew. I want to show Daddy and Hayden
You
this.
want to show Daddy and Hayden?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Ew. Dad, look how sticky this is. He cut that face open. Oh my God.
The Orbeez. Or the jellies. The gummy things. I'm gonna throw them away anyway.
Ew. So
Okay, are we done with these, Kenzie?